Hello and welcome to Ionza. I'm going to show you how to create an account with our website. So you simply go to our website www.ionza.co.nz and go to the top right hand corner of your screen. You'll find a login button. Click on there and you'll need to press the create account as you don't already have a email and password registered. So here you simply fill in your details and make up a password. And then once that's done, you will need to verify that you're not a robot. So simply tick the I'm not a robot button and submit do the examination. If you pass, then press next or submit, and you will be sent an email to verify that your email address is correct. So simply go into your email account and activate your account. And that will open up your own personal profile page, and from this page you can view your address. You can update that there if you move, nice and easy. You can also see your order history. If you've got nothing there, there'll be nothing to show, but once you do have something there, it might look a little bit like this. You can log out on the top right hand side of the page. Nice and easy. So now with our account you'll be able to see any subscriptions or orders that you've placed. Really nice way to manage your account. Thank you and have a lovely day.